Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to hook your Blue Yeti microphone up to your Android. I got a Samsung S9. So what you're going to need is you're going to need the power source cord that comes with the Blue Yeti. You're going to need a USB cell phone adapter, I'm going to call it, that can plug into that you can plug up to here and plug into your cell phone in order to give power to your Yeti. And then also if you want to, and then you're going to need your auxiliary cord. But if you also want to hear yourself as you speak into the microphone, you need a pair of headphones, and then you need a headphone splitter. So we're going to go on and hook the power source up, and you should be able to hear a difference in our voice, because the microphone should automatically start working once I just plug the power source into the phone and then into the Yeti. So now you should be able to hear me speaking to you through the microphone. It's just that simple. But if I want to hear myself as I'm speaking to you guys, you plug the splitter into the headphone part. You plug your headphones into the headphone side, and then you plug your auxiliary cord into the microphone side on your splitter, and then you plug it into your cell phone. And now I can hear myself as I speak to you guys through the microphone. I hope this helps someone. Thanks.